Good morning, students. Sometimes we hear or read about building catching fire due to short circuit. Sometimes if we switch an equipment in our house, the electrical fuse wire melts and the electric supply shut down. Let us discuss about the cause briefly. The home electrical connections consist of live, neutral and earth wires. When we check our main connecting wires, you can see 3 wires inside the main cable. And they are live, neutral and earth. The live and neutral wire have potential difference of 220 volts. So the electricity supplied to us has a potential difference of 220 volts. The earth is connected to the ground, and that's what called as earthing. We give earthing like that. We say that is the third wire, that's the earth wire, which is connected to the ground. Due to fault in the equipment, or if the plastic coating of the live and the neutral wire gives away, the 2 wires come in contact with each other and a large current flows through it, producing heat. If there is a damage to the electrical equipment, or if the live wire and the neutral wire, the coating is gone away, then there is a huge amount of current which starts flowing through it. And when a huge amount of current passes through it, a huge amount of heat also is being produced. If any inflammable material, that is any material which can catch fire like wood, clothing or plastic exists around that place, it can catch fire. As a huge amount of heat is being produced because of the excess current flow, and if any material which is able to catch fire is surrounding that thing, then that place can catch fire. Therefore, a fuse wire is used as a precautionary measures. If you check into many of the electrical equipments, you can see a fuse installed in the electrical circuit. Mostly the fuse is connected in series in the electrical circuit. We have learned about the fuse wire in the previous standards. What is a fuse basically? In electronics, we say fuse is an electrical safety device that operates to provide overcurrent protection of an electrical circuit. Its essential component is a metal wire or strip that melts when too much current flows through it, thereby stopping or interrupting the current. So I hope you understand what is a fuse. A fuse is a material which is installed in the electrical circuit so that it helps the equipment from the overcurrent or overloading of the current. So it will stop the flow of current if too much of current is passing through it. As soon as high current flow in a circuit, fuse wire melts and break the circuit, and any mishap is avoided. So if there is too much of current which is trying to flow through this electrical equipment, then because of the installation of the fuse wire inside the fuse will break, which will stop the current from flowing through it. What is the principle of fuse working? The fuse work on the principle of heating effect of current. Fuse is always connected in series with the electrical circuit. When the excessive current or heat is generated due to heavy current flow in the circuit, the fuse melts down to its low melting point of the metal and it opens the circuit. So whenever we are installing a fuse, it will have a wire inside it which will have a low melting point and a low resistance. Low resistance so that it does not interrupt the flow of current, and low melting point because if there is excess flow of current, because of the heating effect of the current, what happens, the wire will break and it will stop the flow of the current. So there are 2 basic principles when we are selecting a fuse wire. What are they? They are the low melting point of the wire and the low resistivity. Why we need a low melting point? So that it breaks up as soon as current higher than the permeable value passes through it. And why we need a low resistivity? So that it doesn't interfere with the flow of the current. Okay.